If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature a variety of bixie, pixie, and short hairstyles. Loving this platinum bixie cut for the first look. Absolutely gorgeous cut and color combination. Heading into look number 2, we see a hair transformation. It's like she decided to get a beautiful pixie undercut. And then we see the styling of this pixie cut. Gorgeous. So then we have another long 2 pixie hair transformation. So we can't see the client's exact length of hair, but it looks like she had pretty long hair to begin with. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the bangs in the front. Nice face framing layers. Beautiful. Then we see someone with a bob haircut. Wow, loving this pixie hair transformation. She looks amazing. Another gorgeous pixie cut. Beautiful. Here we have another stunning pixie. Then we see a hair color transformation. Absolutely gorgeous silver tone hair. Beautiful. And then we see another bob. Love her ginger hair color. And it looks like she got a nice shape up. She has now more of that mini bob hair trend that we're seeing. Beautiful. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.